Hey guys, it's me, Cruel, back again with another reaction video on this YouTube channel. Today I'll be watching Oh My Girl's Sketchbook 2, episode 20, and this is YooA reacting to her solo debut music video, Bon Voyage. And yeah, I don't have much more to say before we get started. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel to stay up to date with all the stuff that I do. I upload every single day, up to multiple times actually, so if you wanna be notified of all the uploads, then I suggest joining my Discord server. A link to that is in the description below, because the YouTube notification system is very flawed, and especially if I upload more than twice or 3 times a day, the notifications won't go through after a while, and yeah, you just miss a lot of stuff, and I think you probably missed a lot of stuff in the past as well if you're a returning viewer, because of that. So yeah, make sure to join my Discord if you want to. You can also talk with me or other people in the community there, so it's basically a win-win for many situations. And yeah, before I get started, one more thing, quick shout out to my Patreons for September. Thank you so much for the continued support, and special shout out to my tier 4 Patreon, Keller Dolman. Thank you so much. If you guys are interested in more exclusive content that is only on Patreon, not on YouTube, such as live stage reactions, album reviews, TV show reactions, and anime and cat drama reactions, then check out my Patreon, also in the description below. Thank you so much, and let's get started with this video. Here we go. I have to watch this, by the way.
여러분,
I love her.
안녕하세요.
Hi.
너무 긴장돼요. 이게 뭐냐면요.
This is the first time that I watched a YooA video where she actually just interacts with us, the camera. I never watched a live V-Live video from Oh My Girl yet, so yeah, this is basically my first exposure to that, and I love this girl so much, so this is gonna be very hard to watch as a fanboy, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just wanted to see her reaction. I wanted to see YooA. I just wanted to see YooA. That's why I watched this,
저도 뮤비를 못 봤어요. 왜냐면 이 리액션을 찍기 위해서 끝까지 참았거든요, 안 보고. 근데 지금 제 눈앞에 저의 열정이 담긴.
She's so cute. Okay, yeah, probably she filmed this way before it came out, though.
뮤직비디오가 있습니다. 그
뮤직비디오.
빨간 차가 보이는 배경인데 너무 떨립니다. 비자 쇼케이스를 앞두고 찍으려고 하는데 뭔가 이걸 보면 더 긴장이 풀릴 것 같아서 한번 제가 여러분들이 보기에 앞서 먼저 보도록 할게요.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
빨간 차에 이방인. 이 장면은 제가 아는 장면이에요. 박치기 유아.
Okay. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Dude, I can't even look at the video. I like the music video. Only look at her right now.
오, 빠르게. 우리 늑대님이 오셨어요.
Wow. Oof.
팬분들이 그러더라고요.
Someone from
넷플릭스 재집.
Oh.
와, 숲의 아이다.
Yay.
엄청 초원을 뛰는 장면인데.
Yes, you are cute. Newsflash.
나를 삼갈게요, 삼갈.
I won't. Oh my god, it's twice as much YooA at the same time. It's so good.
나비 같은.
I'm so happy to watch this right now.
너무 예쁘다.
Yes.
제가 예쁘다는 게 아니에요. 이
No,
뮤비가
you.
예쁘다는 거예요.
You are. I mean both.
이 티저 장면이요.
I have not watched them, so I wouldn't know. Ooh, these shots with the camera are so good. Wow. I love them.
대자연인.
It's so good, this video.
너무 좋은데.
Yeah. What the fuck? Okay.
드론이 열일했다 진짜.
Yeah, for sure.
나비 봐. 나 날개 났어.
Yeah. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Just a quick thing I want to say is that I'm planning on making this every year, and last year was the first time in December. Actually, I think it was actually on Christmas, or maybe on Christmas Day. I uploaded a top 20 my female bias list, and I I have male biases, but I usually am a girl group focused person, so I basically only did that. Maybe I will do one for males too. I don't know, but YooA on my female list on the top 20 was in there already, just based off on Queendom. That was the only thing I saw her in at the time, and she was, I think, on number 15. Just want to let you know, expect that to be not double digits anymore. I'm not 100% sure yet what the order's gonna be, but I'm very sure that she's gonna be higher, way higher.
밤의 숲의 아이가 나왔어.
I mean, this woman made me stan. Oh my girl, this woman, only this woman, nobody else. I only standing Oh my girl because of her. I mean, now I love a lot of other things about them, but she made me do it.
팅커벨 장면이 나오고 있어.
Yeah, true, Tinkerbell, right?
아 늑대 날 따라오고 있어.
Or I love that shot later on where she's standing in between the wolves, the wolf pack. That's so beautiful. It looks really good. Like, really good. She must be really, really happy with this.
뿌듯하구만.
Yay! That's what I want to hear. Oh, I love this makeup. This forest. So good. Oh, there we go. Ah. That's my... That killed everyone, girl.
대박. 어떤 느낌이냐면요. 되게 엄청 만감이 교차한 느낌?
Mixed feelings, okay?
전 너무 마음에 드는데 여러분들도 마음에 들어주셨으면 좋겠어요. 진짜로 막 무슨 말을 해야 될지 생각이 안 날 정도로
Yeah.
되게 느낌이 새롭다고 해야 되나 지금? 더 말할 게 없어.
Okay, not a woman of many words, huh?
사이 많이 사랑해 주세요. 그러면 저는 이제 이걸 다시 보러 가야
She's
되는데요.
taking the laptop
여러분.
with. What the hell?
오늘 도시생활 1일차거든요. 아직 낯설지만
Is she like playing on this solo debut first day in the city? Okay.
여러분들이 응원해 주시면 이 도시생활을 잘 익숙하게 해가지고요. 점차
She's so good at acting though. What the hell?
그럼 많이 사랑해 주세요. 안녕.
I will.
보러 가야지 이거.
Oh my god. Okay, that was so wholesome. I love that. I'm glad I watched this, honestly. Let's end it on a cute shot. I mean, that shot was kind of cute. Wait. Oh my god, what did I do? Yeah, let's sure. Let's do this. That was YooA's reaction to her Bon Voyage music video and her solo debut. I love her. I don't have anything more to add, like she did. This was amazing. I'm glad I watched it. I'm glad I made a reaction video out of it. I don't know how many people will watch this or enjoy me watching this, but I hope there's some. If not, then it is what it is. I enjoyed this, and that's the main reason why I do YouTube, you know, because I enjoy this myself. And I again forgot to close the Discord. Great. Well, thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Peace.